Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Szewc, and today we're going to talk about three-dimensional shapes. And I'm also going to tell you two new math words. One is a flat surface and the other is a vertices. Okay, first let me show you a little bit about what a vertice is, because I think it's easier to see a vertex. Okay, so let me show you. I took some things out of my cupboard today. Okay, last week we talked a little bit about two-dimensional figures or plane shapes. That means they're flat. If I asked you to tell me the name of this shape, you would probably say it's a square. It has four sides. Okay, this is also a napkin from my cupboard. But it is two-dimensional. That means it is flat, flat. I cannot put anything inside of this napkin. But then I might find some other things in my cupboard that I can put things inside of. So here is an example of a rectangular prism. Okay, box of macaroni and cheese, box of Cheez-Its, my son's favorite flavor. You're going to notice that this is a little bit different from my square, okay, because I can put something inside of it. Okay, you can hear the noodles inside my box of macaroni and cheese here. You're also going to notice when I lay it flat that you can still see 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. But also if you take a little look down here, you can see that there's another side to it. And actually, if I get in real close, you can see that those sides meet in a corner. This is actually called a vertex. It is where the sides meet. So on this, I would say this shape has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. And that's it. But this rectangular prism has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because I need each side to meet in the corner. Okay. Then there are some other shapes that I have an example of. Okay. This one is a cylinder. And a cylinder can roll. If I push this, it's going to go right over my counter and keep on going down that hallway. Okay? Same with this one. Same with this one. Okay? But it doesn't have any corners, but it still has two sides. And there's circles. Okay, there's my sprinkled cheese. Okay. It's the bottom, so I know that that date's good. And this one, you can really see. You can see through it like a tunnel, okay? There's two circles on the side. And that is my cylinder. But no pointy corners, no vertexes, no pointy corners. Then here's another shape that you might recognize. Okay, got this out of my fruit basket. This nice round plum. No corners. If I push this, it will keep going. Okay, and you might have heard my dog a minute ago, and it's because I have one of her balls. But the mathematician would not call this a ball. They would call this a sphere. It is spelled S-P-H-E-R-E. PH is a digraph, and when it's put together, it makes F. So this is a sphere. No corners, no sides, and it can roll forever and ever and ever. And in this case, I told you that's what she wanted. Here, you want your ball? A dog just wanted her ball. And then there's one more. This is a cone. Okay, I found this in an old box of toys. This one is a little different. It has one side. The bottom of a cone is a circle, okay? If this was holding ice cream, this would be the top. This would be the bottom. So it's like a point. The point or corner where everything meets is a vertex. So a cone has one vertex, one side. The sphere, no vertex, no sides. The cylinder, no vertex, no corners, but two sides. The rectangular prism, 8 vertexes, 8 corners.